Hey, I want to do a little video on the smoke ejection motor on your Pelpro PP130. Need to clean this thing every year. It's about 8 screws. You loosen the screws and then basically going to turn it, quarter turn, pick it up out of there. Keep an eye on the seal. Check your gasket, make sure that's good. Look down inside. Mine's already clean, but you'll see the debris that's left. You want to make sure you clean that out. Most importantly, you want to take a look at your fan. Make sure it's good. You want to remove all the debris, clean up around it carefully, blow the motor out, get all the dust, put it back together. One little tip is when you unplug it, always match up the wires. I put a piece of black tape on each one of them so I know where it goes back. Then once you clean it, secure it back in and test it. Good luck.